Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick and efficient ice production, but they come at very different price points. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The first major difference between these two ice makers is their price. The COWSAR Ice Maker is priced at a staggering $679, while the DUMOS Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $69. This significant price gap raises questions about the value offered by each product. Both machines excel in ice production speed, delivering 9 bullet cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid cycle time makes them both excellent choices for those in need of quick ice for parties or gatherings. However, the DUMOS offers the added advantage of producing 2 different sizes of bullet ice cubes, providing versatility for various beverages. When it comes to water capacity, the DUMOS Ice Maker has an edge with a 1.5-liter tank compared to the COWSAR's 1.2-liter capacity. This means fewer interruptions for refilling, making the DUMOS a more convenient option for continuous ice production. In conclusion, while both ice makers offer similar performance in terms of speed and portability, the DUMOS Ice Maker stands out as the better value option with its lower price and additional features. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable ice maker, the DUMOS is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.